Hey guys, Oldmansneaks here. Welcome to another close-up and on-feet sneaker review. I remember the feelings I had when I first saw the Air Max 1 as a kid. That air bubble I thought was the coolest thing ever. Never had a chance to own one throughout the years, but now I managed to get a hold of two of the limited Patta collaboration releases. Let's take a close look at them. Like the Sakai Waffle review, I've compressed this one to a single review for both the Monarch and Aqua Patta Airmaxes. Let's start with the overall design. Based on my limited research, this is the first time that the silhouette was modified to give way to the Patta Waves concept. Basically from toe box going to the lower side panels, a wave shape was applied as a twist to the original design. It's not a massive overhaul to the design, but it's enough to give it a certain level of distinction from the original Air Max ones. On top of the waves, Patta added the small swoosh on the toe box and their branding on the tongue. The other color that is almost as common as all the yellow sneakers that we've been receiving this year is cream. Everyone seems to love this neo vintage cream look on sneakers, especially on the midsole. I myself is a sucker for them too. There's not really that much difference between the two pairs other than the major colors used. The Monarch is basically brown-orange and the Aqua is light blue. Both are easy to wear and pair with. The materials are top-notch. The leather feels nice, complemented by the suede on the swoosh and the toe straps. The application of the ballistic mesh is a slight deviation from the original, but still manages to stay true to its roots. There's also a Bordeaux colorway that was recently released. I sat that one out. I'm not really digging the color and the blocking on that. And the black one in the near future as well, which I might end up picking up. The shoes are very much available and easy to cop. I'm not sure if this is because they produced enough pairs for sneakerheads, including resellers, or the interest is not really there. Either way, I'm always up for the ease of acquiring sneakers, but I'm also kind of against flooding the market and the sneaker starts losing value. Let's be honest, the reason why we collect sneakers, on top of nostalgia and obviously the general love for them, is the value that they have, but I'm also aware that value is subjective. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, like and comment on this video, and follow me on Instagram.